Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add your current city on Imo. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it. So open your Imo app and tap on your profile icon to the top left corner and tap on your profile. Tap on edit and tap on bio. Tap on add introduction and select your current city and enter here your current city. And tap on done. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.